Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to create a decorative custom method that adds a beautiful touch to your knitting project. For this custom you may use one color or two colors. I am going to use two colors, but the same process will be applied to one color. So take two strands and leave a long tail so that it is enough to cast on required number of stitches. Make a slip knot. So we start with a slip knot. Then join white color and white color and blue color. Now take the strand that is on the right and pay attention how you're going to make a twist. So not this way, but place the index finger under the strand and turn it toward you. Now place this loop to the needle and please look that we have a loop here and the working yarn is going behind that loop. Now take the white strand that is on the right. Now again repeat, turn and place it and pull the yarn. Return to the blue color and make a loop. Now the white color is on the right side, then grab it, turn and place it on the knitting needle. And in this way, go on casting on the number of stitches needed for your pattern. Now blue, white, again blue. So you place the finger under the strand and turn it toward you. Please go on. Here I am. Now I'm going to cut the colors that I'm not going to use. It is a blue. And to fix the last stitch, we need to make a knot. Do not pull tight. So now it looks great. Turn. You need to remove the tail and we are going to knit in one strand with the color you left. Purl the first stitch and purl all other stitches till the end of this row. Go on and finish this row. At the end, purl the very last stitch as well. Turn. So if you like this edge, you may stop at this point, but here will be another row. Slip the first stitch, here we'll already have a selvage stitch, then knit one. Now pick up the bar between just knitted stitch and next stitch in this way, from right to left. Knit the next stitch and slip this bar over the knitted stitch. Again, you see the next bar between just knitted stitch and next stitch, it is white color, so pick it up, knit the next stitch and slip it over the knitted stitch. Again, pick up the bar, it is blue color, knit one and slip over. Pick up the white bar, knit one and slip over. Pick up the bar, knit one and slip over. Pick up the bar, knit one and slip over. So in this way go on knitting till the end of this row. Here it is. Again, white bar, pick it up, knit one and then slip over till the end. Here it is, here how the edge is looking now. Before the very last stitch, again we pick up the bar, knit one and slip over. That's it. After that, on the wrong side, slip the first stitch and knit all other stitches. And after this row, you may continue knitting with the needed pattern. That's it, guys. The edge is ready. Look at this one. You may choose different colors to make a nice color combination. Thank you guys so much for watching this tutorial with me. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to like this video. Tell me how you're going to use this edge and check more video tutorials on my YouTube channel. Bye!